Have you ever asked yourself, why is my life so hard? You're not alone. We've all been there, feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or like the world is working against us. Sometimes it feels like no matter how hard we try, things just don't go our way. But here's the truth. Life isn't meant to be easy all the time. It's in those tough moments that we grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So today, let's talk about why life feels hard. And most importantly, how we can make it easier. Ever feel like life is throwing everything at you all at once? Bills piling up, deadlines looming, relationships stressing you out. It's exhausting, right? The truth is, life feels hard because we're juggling too many things at once. We compare ourselves to others, take on more than we can handle, and forget to give ourselves grace. But here's the kicker. It's not that life is unfair. It's that we haven't figured out how to simplify it yet. And guess what? That's something we can fix. Let's simplify your life in 5 steps. The first step to making life easier is simplifying it. Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? Cut out unnecessary commitments, toxic relationships, and distractions. Focus on what brings value to your life. Remember, less clutter equals less stress. Set small, achievable goals. Big dreams are great, but they can feel overwhelming if you don't break them down. Instead of saying, I want to succeed, ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today to move closer to my goal? Celebrate small wins. They add up over time. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude shifts your mindset. Every night, write down 3 things you're thankful for, even if it's as simple as having food on the table or waking up healthy. Focusing on the positives helps reframe your perspective and reminds you that life isn't as bad as it seems. Take care of yourself. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Get enough sleep, eat well, exercise, and spend time doing things that bring you joy. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, and don't underestimate the power of taking a mental health day when you need it. Ask for help. You don't have to face life's challenges alone. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals when you're struggling. Asking for help doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're smart enough to know you can't do everything by yourself.